Hi there, welcome to my video blog on Saunders' Tern, which is a pelagic bird. What are pelagic birds? These are the birds which spend most of the time of their life on the ocean. They do their breeding on the small islands which are lying within the ocean. Saunders' Tern, bring pelagic bird, has got its presence around Arabic and Indian Ocean. The breeding sites are located on south coast of Iran, northern coast of Saudi Arabia, coast of UAE, eastern coast of Oman. The year-round population occur around the eastern coast of Africa and Maldives Island. Non-breeding populations are located on the Red Sea coast of Saudi and North Africa, as well as the eastern coast of Africa and western coast of Madagascar. The Indian islands of Lakshadweep also hold a good population of Saunders' Tern. These birds in July end of 2024, the birders from Mumbai as well as down south got lucky to see many of them, and these people, they could spot these birds around the South Mumbai. If we were to compare river tern, Saunders' Tern, river tern is much larger at 42 centimeters, whereas Saunders' Tern smaller, around 23 centimeters, colors being the same. River tern has got more reddish legs than the Saunders. As a diet, Saunders' Tern have mainly small fish, crustaceans and mollusks. They also eat various insects. They feed mainly by plunge diving, often preceded by long bouts of hovering. Northeastern African birds move south as far as Tanzania and Madagascar in winter, and the birds around Red Sea also move south within the breeding range, vagrant to Israel and northern Red Sea. Birds in southeastern Somalia, northern Sudan and Socotra are residents. Other move along west coast of India to Gujarat, Bombay and also to Lakshadweep and Maldives. Annual throughout the Seychelles from September till March. Saunders' Tern nesting study has been done in Saudi Arabia. As per this study, the nests are placed on the flat sandy areas on the small mounds surrounded by several shells. The material inside the nest was tiny pebbles and marine shells. The nest mainly had 1 or 2 eggs. Egg laying occurred between February and beginning of the June. About the parental behavior, both the parents share the duty once the first egg is produced. In addition to the white-tailed mungus and Egyptian vultures which predate the nest, the Egyptian saw-scaled viper and sooty gulls were also found to have the nest predation. Conservation status of Saunders' Tern is of least concern, that is not globally threatened. There are about 4,000 pairs of the Arabian breeding population, 500 of which are on the Socotra archipelago. Iran may hold 130 to 150 pairs around the Persian Gulf coast. This is also found abundantly in Karachi areas. Thanks for watching this video blog on Saunders' Tern. I hope you have liked it.